In this video, I'll be showing more specific implementation for the Morse code riddle. I know Joe mentioned in the email that he wanted the riddles to be more generalizable, so like, for example, you could input like the message that you want to encode to solve the Morse code riddle. So here it is. This is the portion of the code that you can specify, and whatever you put in here is what's going to be solved when you put in your Morse code message. So if I put like, I don't know, riddle in here, then I would need to put in riddle in Morse code and it would solve the riddle. Cool, so I have ESP in here right now, so I'm just gonna do it with that first. Doop. Doop, doop, doop. Doop, 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 doop. Cool. Let's try changing it really quick. So now I'm going to make it, I'll just do E to make it really easy. I'm going to upload this. Okay, let's try it. Doop, doop, doop. Oh, actually, I just realized that's not going to work. That's going to be a different letter. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it again. Doop. 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 Great, awesome. And just to make sure, I'm gonna do one that is wrong, just to make sure, so you know it's not just solving every time. Doop, 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 doop. Cool, awesome.